Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change country on Amazon app. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply go to the person's icon at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to your home. Tap on this, and after this you can just simply tap on language or flag icon at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply see the option country or region. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the country that you lived in, and it is a way you can change country on Amazon app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.